Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about aquaculture engineering and my focus area will be on this point. The world we live in is constantly evolving. A lot of things we do have either become obsolete or discarded and replaced with new ones. The truth is, if there is lack of advancement and upgrade in our lives and businesses, there will be a lot of constraints, missed opportunities, and stagnation. Ways to stay relevant includes learning a new skill, upgrade on your knowledge, keeping up with the latest news, keeping up with the latest technology, specializing in a field, and building a great network. In the aquaculture sector of agriculture, things have evolved. Hence the reason I'll be talking about aquaculture engineering. Aquaculture engineering is a multidisciplinary field of engineering that aims to solve technical problems associated with farming aquatic vertebrates, invertebrates, and algae. Common aquaculture systems requiring optimization and engineering includes sea cages, ponds, and recirculating systems. The design and management of these systems is based on their production goals and the economics of the farming operation. Aquaculture technology is varied with design and development requiring knowledge of mechanical, biological, and environmental systems, along with material engineering and instrumentation. The word aquaculture is all encompassing. Particular kinds of aquaculture include fish farming, shrimp farming, oyster farming. My area of specialty is in fish farming, catfish and tilapia to be precise. The layout and design of a fish farm is the most basic and significant aspect in aquaculture development. The important role of aquaculture engineering is to fulfill the biological and engineering requirements of the fish farm to attain its objectives. Fish farming is constantly changing and adapting with new technologies and methods arising each year. The engineer is essential to take this technology and apply it to practical solutions. The major responsibilities of an aquaculture engineer include development of the actual production facilities such as ponds, tanks, and hatcheries, maintaining and improving the operations of existing facilities, managing the installation and startup of new equipment, ensuring that the entire farming operation functions as it should. More than 60% of the total aquaculture produce consumed in Nigeria is made by export from other countries. with national production fulfilling only 40% of this demand. In this scenario, aquaculture engineers have got a huge potential in Nigeria. Most aquaculture engineers need to have a bachelor's degree in an engineering related field from an accredited institution. While specific training in aquaculture is the most pertinent, it is by no means necessary. Engineering practices from a wide range of disciplines, such as civil or agricultural, can be applied in the aquaculture field when combined with experience. Indeed, the tides have changed. I hope this video benefits you. Commercial fish farming is no longer how it used to be. Make up your mind on doing things right. Engage the services of an experienced aquaculture engineer and maximize profits. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share with friends. Thank you.